ginger. Then the onions. Then your garlic. Wish you could smell it. Then I place the chicken in there to cook it with the ingredients that we sauteed for its full flavor. Okay, probably maybe 20 more minutes on the chicken, and then we're gonna add the sayote. Whoopee. Now we added the chayote, and then we're gonna let it simmer for maybe another 15 more minutes, 20. And then we'll add, we picked bok choy this time. Let's take a peek. Ooh, looking good. This is done, guys. It smells beautiful.